The way something is produced can shape the way we connect with it, adding depth through texture, detail, and form. In communication design, production isn't just a practical choice, it plays a big role in how the brand is experienced and remembered. For the first example is Bespoke Letterpress, which is a stationery brand in New South Wales. They use antique cast iron presses and thick cotton papers to create tactile, high-quality products. Their wedding invitations and journals are celebrated for their craftsmanship and timeless appeal. Another example is the Artisan Press. They specialise in business cards, stationery, and packaging, using sustainable practices and premium materials. So their work shows how letterpress printing can enhance brand identity through tactile quality and attention to detail. So these examples demonstrate how letterpress printing reinforces brand values such as authenticity and quality. The tactile nature of the printed materials creates an emotional connection with the audience, turning each product into a keepsake rather than just a package. The slight indentation of the type in both examples, the thick cotton stock, and the subtle metallic ink don't just look aesthetically pleasing, they convey quality, care, and a homemade ethos before the product is even opened. So letterpress printing is basically inked raised surfaces which are pressed onto paper, creating a tactile impression that engages both the visual and physical senses. This technique dates back to the 15th century, but has seen a resurgence in contemporary design for its unique aesthetic and sensory appeal. Its main benefits include a strong tactile finish, longevity, and sustainability, and it can even be hand-operated. However, it's not ideal for large-scale runs due to its longer setup times and higher costs. So the letterpress printing demands thoughtful technical planning from the very beginning of the design process. Setting up files properly is crucial, as the limitations of plate making, such as the line thickness, negative space, and registration accuracy, can significantly impact the final result. Paper selection also plays a critical role. The texture, weight, and fibre content of the stock will influence how deeply the impression sets and how cleanly details print. Letterpress printing, with its physical impressions, rich textures, and tactile finishes, it invites a level of design intention that digital methods often overlook. Choosing letterpress means working within certain constraints, limited colour palettes, slower turnaround, and manual setup, but these boundaries can lead to more focused, meaningful outcomes.